Hello everyone, you are welcome. Today we will see what is the difference between set timeout and set interval. So we use set timeout when that execute a function task after a specific delay, and we use set interval when we need to execute a function or task after every interval. So let's see this. I have created one Angular application and just using this. So here for your information, this is HTML file. So this contains HTML code that is a button, and here it is function test, and here this is function test is the function is. So once we call this function, so this will be called. If you are not familiar with Angular, so no need to worry. It is something like the same. It is something like the same thing you will be executing different frameworks as well. It may be little less, little bit different, but it will be same uh, approx. So the thing is, here it is a button, and when we click the button, this function will be called. So we need to understand only these things, and I'm going to write code inside this one. So I'm going to write code inside this one. So let's see this. So to check if button is working, so first what I will do is I'll do console dot log, then hello, and control S. Just save this file and go to browser, reload this localhost 4200 and print on console. So it is printing hello. This means button is working perfectly, and after clicking this, this function is being invoked. So let's do one thing, that is write save timeout, set timeout. So set timeout, and here just use the function is here inside this write console dot log hello, and this is after 3 seconds I want to perform this. So here we need to look that here it is millisecond, 3000 millisecond equal to 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. So 3000 millisecond equals to 3 second. So it will be 3 second, and after 3 second this console dot log will perform. So we'll reload this and just to do print on console, and after that we will see after few seconds it is doing hello. Again we will print. See after few seconds what is happening. It is again printed hello. Let's just remove this, clear the console and again print, and see, yeah, this is. So this is working. Now what I will do is I will just extract these things and write in a different way. So just copy this one and use a const z equal to, and here write z. So now just go here and print this. Yeah, this is hello. So print again. Wait for the seconds, 3 seconds, and it is enough. So this is how it is working. So this is the one I shown, that is set timeout. Now I will show set interval. So what is happening with set interval, we will see. So let's copy this function and comment this and just write here this one. So here what I will do is I will just z, this is z, so z equal to this one. So instead of this timeout, what I will do is, yeah, so in place of this set timeout, what I did is I just replaced with set interval, and just I will save this file, and I will go look into the this this browser and reload this and just print on console. Look what is happening. So I'll just remove the cursor. See, this is going to perform that task after 3 seconds, until we do not uh, perform to stop. So what is it is doing is, after every interval of time, it is performing the task again and again. So this is the set difference between set timeout and set interval. That is when we want to perform set timeout, when we want to use our code in such a way that it will be used once. So we will going to use set timeout, but once means after some time of some delay, and to then we'll use a set timeout. But if we want to execute a function after every interval, so we'll use a set interval. So this is the difference between timeout and set interval. So look, this is printing again and again. If I will just clear the console again, after that it is again printing. So this is because we are using set interval. Now we will look into how to stop the set interval. So nothing have to do much about that. We have another something called set. This is clear interval, and after that, what we can do is we can just uh, here we can take this and on stakes equal to, and then here x, and just close this one, close this one, and save the file. So what it will do is it will go to line number 12 and execute hello, and after that it will just break. So let's look into the in the browser. So I'll reload the page and just print on console. So see what is happening. It is printed hello. After it is doing nothing because of this one. So what we can do is, for checking purpose, what I will do is I will take a one counter here, and here what I will do, one simply. So it will increase one by at it will increase by one, and if counter equal to 4, then what we will do is we will use clear interval. So this means that we are going to execute this 4 times, and after that we will just stop this. So this console log dot log should print 4 times. So let's look into browser now. One time, 2 time, 3 time, and this is 4 time. And after this is not doing nothing. This means this printed 4 time, and it was fourth time. What it does is it breaks the interval, this set interval. So this is how it works. So if you have some doubts about this, you can comment in the video. I will look into that, and stay connected. Thanks for watching.